Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make your own delicious and nutritious kefir using an easy method. First, let's gather our essential supplies. You will need active kefir grains, about 2 cups of fresh whole milk, and a clean glass jar. It is crucial to ensure all your equipment is thoroughly clean to prevent any unwanted contamination. Using fresh, whole milk will give you the best possible results for your homemade kefir. Now that you have your supplies ready, let's combine them. Carefully place 1 to 2 tablespoons of your active kefir grains into the clean glass jar. Next, pour approximately 2 cups, or 500 milliliters, of fresh whole milk over the grains. Remember to leave a little headspace at the top of the jar. Gently stir the mixture with a non-metal spoon to ensure all the grains are fully submerged in the milk. With your grains and milk combined, it's time for fermentation. Cover the jar loosely with a breathable cloth or a coffee filter, securing it with a rubber band. This allows air circulation while keeping contaminants out. Let the mixture ferment at room temperature for about 24 to 48 hours. You will notice the milk thickening and developing a pleasant, slightly tangy aroma, which are signs of successful fermentation. Once your kefir has fermented, it's time to strain it. Carefully pour the mixture through a fine mesh, non-metal sieve into a clean container. The kefir grains will remain in the sieve, ready for your next batch. Gently separate them from the finished kefir. Store your delicious, fresh homemade kefir in the refrigerator for up to 1 week. Enjoy your nutritious, probiotic-rich drink.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.